Hello to all, welcome to a new video. Today I would like to talk about a topic that has a lot of effect when you decide to buy a property in Spain. And it is if you want to get a mortgage or a loan from a bank in Spain. So let's think that you have already decided or chosen the property that you would like to buy, and that for some reasons you don't want to use all the money you have in your country, or you need to get a part to be financed and you decide to do it through a Spanish bank. And the first thing I must tell you is that the process surely is different to the process in your country. And there is a main reason for that, and it is that the bank in Spain doesn't know you. You are totally new for the bank. So the bank has to know you from the beginning. Why? Because they need to see your numbers, your incomes, your expenses, the capacity of repayment of the loan. They will study and analyze the transaction first economically. And they will ask for a copy of your tax declarations, your salary if you are an employee of a company, the accountancy of your company if you are a businessman or a businesswoman. So they need to study you. They will ask if you have a loan in your country, what you pay monthly for your cost, everything. And if they give green light to that part, and they say, okay, our client has capacity to repay the loan in Spain, then they will also need to make a valuation on the property that you want to buy. Because for them, the mortgage will have the security of the property. So the bank will make a valuation made by an official valuation company that someone from that company will come to the property, will visit it, will see the legal documents of the property, but will also see the property physically. And based on different standards, market rates, prices in the area, and of course based on the legal documents of the property, will give a value to the property. Then the bank will give you the loan or the mortgage based on the valuation given to the property and the purchase price. And on the lowest value of these two values, they will finance 60 or maximum 70% when you are a non-resident in Spain. In some cases, you find a bank that gives a little bit more, but have in mind between 60 and 70% maximum. Again to say, on the lowest value between the purchase price and the valuation value. Once everything is done and the bank says, we give you the loan because you have economical capacity of repayment and because we accept to take this property as a warranty, then they need to formalize all the documents through a public notary in Spain. Maybe you remember that when you buy a property in Spain, you need to sign the title deed, what we call escritura, at a public notary. When you get a loan from a bank in Spain, you also need to formalize the loan agreement at a notary. And that takes also some days because the bank will send all the documents to the notary through an online system. The notary will formalize the contract, and then 10 days before you sign the loan agreement, you need to go to the notary, where the notary will explain you the conditions of the loan, the different characteristics of the transaction, so that you understand what the bank is offering you and your rights and also your obligations. And once this document is signed, then we can sign the loan agreement. So it is very important for you to know that the process will take long. And I know this is very frustrating because you want to have everything very quick. But we come to the first point of this video. The bank doesn't know you. You are new for the bank. So they need to study everything carefully. So have in mind that you want to buy a property. Getting a loan from a bank in Spain, you will need at least 2 months. And I will say 3 months. I tell you that because I recommend you, when you agree with a seller about when to complete the purchase, that you give at least 3 months to organize everything with the bank. Sometimes can be done before, but better to work quietly. Just to remind you, be patient, because for you it's also everything new. And maybe you get frustrated because you don't understand. Let us work with that. Let us do the job with the bank, because we know how the banks work, we know how the banks will need regarding the time, and we can make the process easier for you. Good! I hope that this video is helpful, that you don't get frustrated with banks in Spain, and I wish you good luck with everything, and hopefully we see again very soon again. Thank you. Bye bye.